Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your monitor panel for your Thor Gemini 23TW. Your monitor panel is located just inside the main entry door. Let's take a look. The first tab is your home screen. Here you can view some general applications such as your tank levels, control your lights, climate, or water pump. The second tab, which is a teardrop, will show you your tank levels, your water pump, and your tank heater. Your tank heater is designed to heat all three water tanks during the winter, preventing them from freezing. Your third tab is where you can control your slide out, your awning, and both stabilizer legs. If the keys are in the ignition, you will notice a yellow symbol next to all four of these settings. This is designed to prevent you from raising or lowering the stabilizer legs or retracting or extending the awning or slide out while in motion. Your fourth tab is your climate control. This is where you can adjust the interior temperature to your coach. To do that, simply hit the power button. Select your temperature by hitting the down or up arrows. Your mode selection, which includes cool, cool auto, fan, and heat. And then your fan selection, which include low and high. To utilize the cool settings, you have to have the generator on or be plugged into a 30 amp power source. The next tab is a light bulb. This is where you can control all interior and exterior lights for your coach. Below your light tab, you'll notice a lightning bolt. This tab is to view your battery power, your LP levels, and turning on or off your generator. The final tab is a fan. This is where you can turn your kitchen or bathroom fans on or off. At the bottom of the monitor panel, you'll notice a few buttons. The first four are labeled 1 through 4 with light bulbs. This is how you can manually control the interior lights to your coach. The next two buttons say EXT and RET. That's for extending or retracting your awning, your slide out, or either stabilizer jack. To select which you would like to, simply scroll through the menus. The A1 is your awning, J1 is your first jack, J2 is your second, and SL is your slide out. Prior to utilizing the slide, please ensure that all drawers are closed and the bed and driver's seat are in the upright position. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.